I'm back at base camp after the most incredible morning riding. Seriously, it's put some of the hard stuff I've done in the last few days into not quite the easy category, but everything's in perspective. I've learned a lot. That 300 two-stroke is definitely a winner. I think TIG, unfortunately, might get swapped out at some point once I can figure that out. And yeah, that is my last day riding with Trails. Fantastic location, all the bikes. I mean, come and look at this pool. Yeah, I'm 100% going to be coming back here.